Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I will show you how to disable blue ticks on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Android. Now I'll go to this WhatsApp and over here you can see this is my WhatsApp interface. Now to disable blue ticks, first of all tap on these three dots on the top right and go to settings. And over here you'll find this interface. Now go to privacy and scroll down and you'll find here read receipts. You can see here this is turned on. Now to turn off blue ticks, just tap on this and turn this off. As soon as this is turned off, blue ticks on WhatsApp is disabled. In this way we can turn off blue tick on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.